guys, Dorothy here, and we're here today to share with you a flip through of an altered file folder journal that we made. And we used the Lavande Bleu kit from Screech Studios. I will put a link in the description for that. Also, if you're interested in me doing a step-by-step tutorial on how I built this, then just in the comments, make sure you leave a comment that lets me know that you're interested in a tutorial on it. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Please feel free to share our channel. So let's get going. So this is Lavande Bleu. It just has a simple ribbon tie closure. It opens up. I'll try to hold it up so you can see that the graphics are gorgeous. So it opens up. Then we'll come over here. This side, just some, again, the wagon wheel, the old coffee pot, gorgeous. And I loved the blue and the purple. So there's a wheelbarrow and a birdhouse. This has a tuck in, and it has a place to journal in. And then a pocket. Just has a little journaling card. This has an envelope with a paper clip, and inside the paper clip is 3 index file cards. And there's also a file card pocket inside the journal also. We'll see in a minute. Let me set these to the side. So you can see the background, again, bird nest and the birds. Just gorgeous coloring. Okay, we're going to flip this over for a minute. We'll come back to the journal in a second. Then back here, there's a large pocket. Just some stenciling, journaling spot. And you'll see the birds and the branches all throughout as far as stenciling. Then over here, there's a bookmark in the back pocket. In the front, the paper clip comes off. This just flips around. It opens up, and inside there's some journaling paper, and it pulls down to extend it so you can write some more. And that's I wouldn't necessarily call it vintage. It's not extremely, extremely old, but it's from like the 70s. So that tucks in there. Let me pull it over here. Now we'll do the journal. Gorgeous cover, and the images are really pretty with this kit. Just a plain scrapbook cover. I left this fairly basic, so you could sort of add to. And there is a packet, my scrap packet, a bits and bobs packet that'll go with it that has like all the cutoffs and extra papers and stuff like that. Just 3 little fabric tabs down the side. So let's flip in. And there are some vintage papers in here, so some coffee dyed paper, and it's got some vintage, like a tear to make it look vintage. Little tag. Goes down. This is a Marion B27 Bluegrass. It's an advertisement for like Kentucky bluegrass grass seed. And this is actually from like, let me see if it actually has a date on it. When we go towards the back, I don't see one here. I know, I don't think it's going to actually be on here. The book this actually came out of was from the 50s, so, and with it, a lot of the pictures and stuff, it's very well. So, some stenciling. There's a pocket, again, another bookmark. Just another page to journal on. And some more stenciling. There's the birds and the branches. I just thought it went so well with the lavender kit. There's a pocket. 2 journaling cards in it. And this is a Rita Donnelly flip. So there's a lot of journaling room in there. Here's a page out of a vintage herb catalog from, I think, 79, I believe. So it's not quite vintage, but classic, I guess. But I added that because I just love the purples on it, off the same paper. This is a garden piece, and you know, it's in there if you want to make out of Work Basket magazine from the 50s. Well, I mean, you can tell 50s, 60s. And you can make a pocket out of that if you wanted to. I just left it in there for you. Some stamping. Tab. Again, there's that file folder pocket. And, you know, the 3 file folders. Here is a Better Homes and Garden page out of the garden book. And it's 1962, I believe is the year I have on it. Some branches. And there's lots of journaling space in here. I didn't over decorate it because of being in an altered file folder. You're sort of limited on space. And because it's only one signature, I wanted to make sure I had plenty of room if you wanted to use it for journaling. A piece of wallpaper. A journaling page. The center doily. The signature itself is sewn. There's 3 hole. And I just tied the ribbon in the middle to tie it in. So if you want to like journal and you don't want to have to deal with the altered file folder, you can actually untie it and take it out. This doily, some stenciling, and a tab. It's the other piece of wallpaper. Journaling card and just a journaling, printed journaling card. Again, another Rita Donnelly flip, and this is made out of another of that Work Basket magazine. And then I just added, because it was the magazine or, you know, book page or anything like that where you want, I just added the journaling line paper down there. There's that Better Homes and Garden. Some stamping. This has a clip on it. This actually folds down so you can journal. And then this is just a piece of the digital paper that you can journal on. There's the other part of that Work Basket magazine, flower and garden page. Some stenciling. The other piece of that vintage herb catalog. The purples just went great. A stamping and a tag. It's just a journaling card that's stapled in there where the tab was. Here's the other piece of that Kentucky bluegrass. The back page and the cover. And the back with the eggs and the birds. So let me try to situate this all back in here. I don't know what I did with this one here. This in here. And then that folds up. This folds around. And that's your cover. And then there's your back with the bicycle and a small poem, a lavender poem. So that's it. And like I said, if you are interested in doing a tutorial, a walkthrough, you know, maybe not using this kit, maybe using a different kit, but this style of journal, or even if you want to use this kit, you know, just drop me a few lines in the comments and let me know. And I will be listing this, and I'll list it in my Etsy shop. And it, like I said, it does have the bits and bobs leftover packet that's coming with it. So thanks for watching. I will leave links in the description below. Again, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to leave your comments below, you know, if you'd like to see it in a tutorial or not. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy Tuesday, and we'll see you all later. Bye.